and welcome to the second annual What's So Cool About Manufacturing Student Video Contest Awards Ceremony for West Virginia's Northern Region. My name is Monica Cross and I'm the director of the Explore the New Manufacturing program.
And I'm Tom Reed, program consultant for the Explore the New Manufacturing initiative. We're excited to be with you tonight to celebrate the student-made videos about manufacturing in the Mountain State.
We hope you are all healthy and safe at home during this challenging time. We also hope that tonight's program allows us all to momentarily put our minds on something positive, the future. There's a wealth of opportunity in manufacturing for young folks growing up in West Virginia today, with a wide variety of careers available in their communities. The videos you will see tonight tell the story of these opportunities so well. We will show all 6 videos created for this region and announce awardees in 3 categories for this competition.
As Monica mentioned, this is the second year for the What's So Cool About Manufacturing video contest in West Virginia. This has been made possible with some great partners, including 2 higher education organizations here in the Northern Panhandle. Bethany College provided training to our teachers, sort of a crash course on video production, and the West Virginia Northern Community College offered their facilities for our ceremony when it was originally going to be in person, and they also helped with some video production needs. So thank you to both of those organizations. Now let's watch our first video by Bridge Street Middle at Mall Group.
Miller from Bridge Street Middle School, and this is Mall Group Industries.
My name is James Mall. My favorite part is the people that I work with. I love, we're a family-owned company, and it's really that culture that we have here. And I work in sales, and a lot of our relationships with our customers have been over 5, 6, 10 years. So we've got great relationships with our customers. It's almost like we're just friends working to better their equipment. So right here behind me is our main product. This is what's called a mandrel or a reel. And if you're familiar with the big steel coils, this equipment is actually responsible for winding those big steel coils up. We manufacture about 100 of these a year. So I was asked by one of the students what this scrap is. This scrap is from the machine. So as the machinist put the piece in the fixture, the machine will actually go around and cut and remove steel, and they might be taking 5 or 6 or 7 thousandths off. What we do is we put all those chips here in the bin and we send them to the scrapyard. Here is a contraption that we use to take those mandrels and reels that I showed you earlier and turn them vertically so we can place them in the parts washer.
What materials is it made out of?
It's a good question. So the teeth are actually the same material as the body itself. It'll be cast or forged, a little bit oversized, and then what the machinist will do is they'll use a gear cutting machine to whittle down and cut the teeth. Some of the edges of the teeth were a little bit more narrow than the other ones. This here's a brand new gear, so the teeth are all perfectly cut, everything's nice and smooth. So we take safety, it's very important to us. We have a safety program that we've designed. We have our software that actually tracks every single employee. We educate everyone every year on cranes, fire extinguishers, tow motors, safety data sheets, everything you can think of. Hard work pays off, It really comes back to it. The guys we work with in the steel mills, these guys work 70 hours a week. They work Saturdays, they work Sundays. I mean, these guys just work so hard. And at the end of the day, the role they play in our society is so important. I'm 3rd generation. My dad's been here pretty much his whole life. He's 76, he's been here his whole life. And I'm gonna be here my whole life. I love what I do. I have no plans to go anywhere else. Yeah. Make sure you get out and vote for Mall Group and Bridge Street Middle.
The Explore team is proud to work with so many manufacturers and schools across the state of West Virginia. We have exciting plans to expand the Explore the New Manufacturing program to include even more schools and companies. Additionally, we plan to work with more high schools, career technical education centers, and community colleges, so stay tuned. None of this would be possible without the manufacturers who get involved and create engaging experiences for the students. For this contest, we'd like to thank our manufacturing partners, Eagle Manufacturing, the Fiesta Tableware Company, the Mall Group, Pietro Fiorentini, Technicap, and the Ziegenfelder Company. Now let's watch our second video by Brook Middle School at Eagle Manufacturing.
Welcome to Eagle Manufacturing, the place where our superheroes protect the people, property, and the planet. They do this by making products that keep the situation contained, work hard to stop spills, and make waste meet its due. Some of their products are gas and oil cans. You can see a gas can from Eagle Manufacturing being held by Rick Grimes in The Walking Dead. An oil can from Eagle is being held in The Wizard of Oz. It's time to meet our first superhero, Captain Application Engineer.
Everything we do here is for the purpose of protecting people, property, and the planet, which I think is really cool about manufacturing.
As you can see in this video, the cans go through a long process. They first start out as raw material that goes through a machine called a press. This press forms the metal into specific pieces they need to be. Once that is done, the handle and spout are welded on. After this step is done, the bottom of the can is welded on. Then the cans are pushed underwater to check the seal. The cans are then carried throughout the warehouse to get painted. They then go through an oven to make the paint set. They then get silk screened with the label of Eagle Manufacturing. Triggers are then made by an injection motor and placed on the cans using pins. Once the cans are completed, they are then carefully placed into boxes. They are then placed onto pallets by one of our superheroes' closest friends.
Megatron!
Let's go meet the rest of our superheroes. Fantastic Foreman. What's your favorite thing about manufacturing?
Oh, my favorite thing? Just knowing the fact that it's American made by American people.
This is Plastic Girl. This is Doctor Distribution.
I order products from our manufacturing facilities and bring it in over here. Then we create orders.
This is
Why do you
Forklift
think
Flash.
this job is interesting or a fun job?
It's a fun job because work with a bunch of people that you don't mind being around. I enjoy making good product and it's close to home.
This is Mega Lifter.
The student teams were provided with video equipment and financial support for transportation and substitute teacher costs. This was made possible by our sponsors, the Benedum Foundation and the Chevron Corporation. Thank you very much for your generous support. Over the last several months, our students, teachers, and manufacturing companies worked together to put together these videos that are 3 minutes in length. Thank you very much for all of your help, and we are excited to watch another video. This third video is with Moundsville Middle School at Technocap.
Technocap traces its history in the valley back over 100 years. It started out as a company in Wheeling, kind of formed out of the Hazel Atlas group. Became Penn Wheeling Closure over the years, US Can, and we make metal and aluminum closures for various products, food, commercial grade, pharmaceutical, pretty much any kind of metal closure. As a quality manager, I handle the product quality. I oversee food safety at the facility, that it's entails cleaning, maintenance of the equipment, and I also handle the health and safety of our employees through monitoring and making sure the facility is well guarded and well protected. Biggest challenge of the job is maintaining customer satisfaction. It's done through audits, it's done through handling customer complaints, it's done through questionnaires, but ensuring product quality is the biggest one.
You're always learning. There's always different things that you can learn along the way. With different customers, you have to do different processes, and it's sometimes it's a learning curve to learn what different customers want in the manufacturing process.
What I love about Technicap as a company, I've been here full time now for almost 4 years. And I wake up every morning and I love coming to work. You know, I never get up in the morning and say, darn, I have to go to work. You know, a lot of people live that type of lifestyle, but that's not me.
Why did I choose to work here? I had a couple of friends tell me about the place. It was a real good place to work and stuff. I guess the people I've met here and stuff are really nice working with and stuff. And good idea, or main thing is you're inside working all the time. You're not out in the weather.
Out of all the things I do, my favorite thing is probably just interacting with the employees. We have a lot of good people here, whether it's on the plant floor and management. You know, everybody kind of works together as a team and helps each other out. So I would have to say the camaraderie is probably my favorite part about the job.
Now for the awards. As I mentioned, we will be announcing awards in 3 different categories this evening. Before we do, we want to congratulate all teams for the hard work, thought, and collaboration put into creating these videos. You all did an outstanding job. It also made it extremely difficult to judge for the awards. Our judges panel for the first 2 awards is comprised of manufacturers, members of the West Virginia Manufacturers Association Educational Fund Board, and our community partners. We hope the teams had as much fun creating their videos as we did viewing them. Our first award is for outstanding creativity. Schools were encouraged to be creative and innovative in the way they organize their video content while making it fun and appealing for their fellow students. After all, the videos should be fun. The winning team exemplified this creativity through humor and by connecting to the interests of their fellow students and adults. The winner for outstanding creativity goes to Chevron Middle School with the Ziegenfelder Company. Congratulations. Now let's watch our 4th manufacturing video by Oak Glen Middle School with the Fiesta Tableware Company that was known as the Homer Laughlin China Company at the time the video was created.
Brothers Homer and Shakespeare Laughlin founded Homer Laughlin China in 1871. HLC originated in East Liverpool, Ohio, just across the river from its current location, Knoll, West Virginia. W.E. Wells bought the Knoll family farm and moved HLC to its new home. Ever since 1871, HLC has been rapidly producing fine handmade china. In 2010, HLC bought out the Hall China. Homer Laughlin is the oldest china producing factory in the United States today.
We're in the museum where we showcase all of our old historic dishes. So I am the 5th generation of my family to work here. My family is the Wells family that owns the company. And my great-great-grandfather, W.E. Wells, was the first one in our family to be involved in the business, and he started working here in the 1890s. We employ around 800 people here at Homer Laughlin, and we take that very seriously, our commitment to the community. We like to be involved in as many events and fundraisers as we can and to support our local community.
I realize that the Fiesta Ware has been around for a long time. There's a great tradition behind it. And I understand that the fascination is out there with the community, and
kind of supports my family. Kind of keeps a lot of people around this area, tri-state area. A lot of people work in the tri-state area, work here, you know. So it's a lot of jobs, take care of a lot of families around here.
My family does enjoy, you know, seeing things I've done in some restaurants, I mean, we're just trying to keep the, you know, the American-made tradition in our, you know, around our area. I think just the colors and just the iconic design really, you know, it's very, you know when you see something like that, and it's a nice.
I think manufacturing is so cool because of the product you make is so widely known around.
I think manufacturing is so cool because it gives you an opportunity to be creative.
I think manufacturing is so cool because you can operate robots and use computers.
What we think is so cool about manufacturing is how it affects the workers, their families, and the community.
Our next award is our most prestigious award. It is all about story. The best manufacturing message really tells students and their community what is so cool about manufacturing. The video should highlight modern manufacturing, the career opportunities that are there, and the type of company that is in their community that they have been partnered with. We had a really tough time. There were several very good videos, but for tonight, the winner of the best manufacturing message is Brook Middle School with Eagle Manufacturing. Congratulations to the student team and to the company. We're very happy for you. Now let's look at our fifth student video, which is Sherrard Middle School at the Ziegenfelder Company.
Ziegenfelders, no way!
It's neat about manufacturing is that you get to see the process of item creation to selling the item to shipping the item to getting it in a store and then having people buy it and telling you how much they like it.
Manufacturing is a really cool process where we use ingredients from all over the country. We use sticks, we use sugar, we use water from the city. So we use all these different ingredients, and it's really cool when you watch things flow from all over the country, and even other countries in some instances, and they all flow together into a plant in Wheeling, West Virginia, and then they create a product that gets to go out throughout the country, and as we talked, even into other countries. So it's a pretty cool thing to watch all these things come together to create such an amazing product.
Nothing here is ever the same 2 days in a row, and that's a really fun thing.
Automation change our facility, moving hand packing human beings doing all the work to some more advances in technology that would allow us to not have to rely as much on people, but we are very reliant on people, and we need those people to make sure that those machines do what they're supposed to do.
I think my favorite flavor probably changes like every week, but I guess my go-to would be blue raspberry.
My favorite flavor is the Sonic Strawberry Lemonade Pop.
Seats, everyone! Cruising down to Wheeling, eating popsicles on the bus, wondering how they're made and if we have enough. Ziegenfelder's treats are just so yummy to eat. I can't believe they're made right down the street.
Today's field trip was so much fun.
I know, right? It was so cool.
I can't believe they're made right down the street. All the packaging machines packaged up the popsicles and they went phew.
The amount of machines, it was unreal.
What's your guys' favorite kind of popsicle? Mine's cherry Larry.
Mine's Brianna Banana.
I don't know what my favorite popsicle is.
Oh, Gabe, we have to go.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Ava.
happening? Hello? I have a problem. I still don't know what my favorite popsicle is. Help! I don't know what I want next, Cherry, Larry, or Brianna Banana.
Over the course of 1 week in early March, people from all over West Virginia and beyond went online to view the work of the students and to vote for their favorite for the Viewer's Choice Award. Student teams were encouraged to promote their videos and get members of their community to vote for their videos. Thank you to everyone who took the time to vote. This regional contest with 5 schools cast 6,786 votes in just 5 days. Although this number is a little lower than last year, it is still a remarkable achievement for these students, provided the challenging time. The winner of the Viewer's Choice Award goes to Oak Glen Middle School with the Fiesta Tableware Company. Congratulations. Now let's watch our 6th and final video with St. Joseph's School at Pietro Fiorentini.
Tell me about your name and your position.
I'm Matteo. I'm coming from Italy, and I'm the production manager for Pietro Fiorentini USA.
Why is your position important?
My position is important because it's creating value for the company and also creating future for the people that are working here, because we are giving them training, first of all, and second, every day a job for which they can live for.
Why do you think young people would want to work in your position?
Because my position is pretty fun, first of all, because every day I work around the company, I'm checking, I'm speaking with the people, and usually we have fun, okay, and also I have a great opportunity to learn about our products and about production environment.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and your position here.
I'm Taryn Barr. I'm 23 years old. I'm the line leader on LTL.
Why would young people be interested in this job?
I think younger people would be interested because we give you a lot of room to grow. So you basically start from the bottom and you grow to learn more, so you have more knowledge.
Why is your position important?
It's important because we have to train new employees, so we train them with quality, speed, productivity. We want to help get more productivity and a good quality product out, and just basically give everyone knowledge.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and your position here.
My name is Samantha Anderson, and I'm a quality control team leader. Young people would be interested in this job because this company offers a really great growing path. So you can start from just working on the line and work your way up to pretty much do anything you want.
Hi, I'm Mattia. I'm the process and product manager of this company, and I'm working with the quality and the maintenance team. I'm Italian guy. My position is important because I'm approving the production. So means that when a product is released from this factory, is good to go to be received by a customer, to have the customer happy. I hope.
Didn't the students all do a great job? Let's give them a round of applause, loud enough so that your neighbors are wondering what's going on. I appreciate you all joining us this evening.
Well, that completes tonight's program. Thank you for joining us. This video is available on the Explore website. We invite you to share with your friends, relatives, and members of your community. Take care and stay safe. We look forward to working with your schools again this fall.